Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making cassava pudding. So let's get started. To start off with, I'm turning on my oven at 350 Fahrenheit. For this video, I'm using store-bought grated cassava. You can definitely use fresh ones as well. All you have to do for those is peel it and cut it, and you'll have to grate it after. Along with the cassava, I'm putting in 3/4 cups of sugar. Coconut milk. Two tablespoons of vanilla. And just a pinch of salt. So I'm doing a water bath method for this. I'll be putting in the cassava on here, and then I have my water boiling to put into a bigger dish. And you'll see what I mean here. So let's put this right in. Flatten it out a little bit, just so that it's equal. Just like that for now. As you can see here, it's in the oven in a water bath. So I have my dish here and then some water in the second dish. I put this dish in the oven for about an hour at 350 Fahrenheit. And I did a water bath like you saw in the previous video. And I let it cool overnight just so that the pudding actually sets. And now the fun part is that we get to cut it. So all you want to make with this is little squares, but I'm just going to remove the edge here just so that it's not stuck. After cutting it into little squares or little shapes, just dip it in coconut shavings. So this is it. This is my version of the cassava pudding. And if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button, the like button, and let me know if you've ever tried this before. Thank you so much for watching.